I've been here long before you. I've held fire in my belly, water in my veins. I watched your furnaces rise. I felt your footsteps, heavy. But now, you have turned wastelands into forests. And I see a future where progress and planet thrive together. But now, you burn cleaner. You move efficient and smarter. I see silence where there was noise. Precision where there was excess. You once burned with fire from beneath me. You blend hydrogen now. You turn to the sun. And the air stays clear. I now feel your care. With every drop you share, you grow life. I remember thirst. Now I feel your care. Every drop you return, I keep. You save, you gather, and you return. And in still waters, I bloom again. Where you once cleared, you now cradle. Roots take hold again. My forests whisper your name with life in your care. I breathe deeper even as the winds carry your promise. And even the coast feels alive again. I used to carry your remains in my soil, but now you clean clear and separate. Your shift wasn't sudden. It was a choice. Repeated, then remembered. They honored your progress with accolades. But I felt your promise. I see the work, quiet, constant, and true. This isn't redemption. This is a new relationship. And I see you, finally, as part of me. L&T, AM Naik Heavy Engineering Complex, in partnership with the planet.